In draw.io, you can add your own diagrams to the template manager. When you open the template manager, the standard draw.io templates will be displayed. To add your own diagrams as templates, create a Confluence page below which all new templates should be stored. You will see the subpages of this page as a category in the template manager. Here, for example, are the categories Jobs to be done and Video diagrams. Diagrams that you insert on these pages are automatically added to the template manager. Now go back to your top page and copy its link. Go to the draw.io app configuration in the Confluence administration area. Click on Add-on Configuration and insert the link. Don't forget to save it. If you now open the template manager again, you can see and look into your created categories and their underlying diagrams under Custom Templates. For example, you can see the Force Diagram template here. You can remove diagrams, or even entire categories, from the template manager. Simply go to the corresponding category's Confluence page and delete the corresponding diagram. When you next open the template manager, your diagram template will no longer be available. For example, our Force Diagram template. If you delete one of the subpages, the entire category will disappear. When you edit the diagram templates, the changes are also automatically shown in the template manager.